Good morning, students. Welcome back to our SS session. In the previous session, we discussed on continents and ocean. So today, we will continue the chapter 6, our Earth, continents and oceans. And our today's topic is continents. Let us learn more about continents. Continents are huge masses of land. There are 7 continents on our planet. Each continent has different types of. So look at the first continent, Asia. Asia is the largest continent and it covers about one third of the land surface of the earth. To its north lies the cold Arctic Ocean, to its east lies the Pacific Ocean, and to its south the Indian Ocean. Some of the countries of Asia are Russia, China, and India. China and India are two countries with the largest population in the world. Asia is also called the land of contrast due to its cultural and physical diversity. Many languages, customs, and traditions are found here. The world's largest and highest mountain range, the mighty Himalayas, lies in Asia. Asia has highest mountain peak in the world, the Mount Everest, 8,848 meter, and the lowest point on land, the Dead Sea, 400 meter below sea level. So, do you know the what is the meaning of Dead Sea, children? Yes, Dead Sea is a salt lake surrounded by land on all sides. It is known as the Dead Sea as it does not have any fishes or plants in it due to its high salt content. So look at this picture, children. There is a one picture of Dead Sea. Next is it has the hot Arabian desert. It also the Gobi desert, which is the cold desert. So what do you mean by cold desert? Cold deserts are vast barren areas which receive very little rainfall and are cold throughout the year. So Sachu is a cold desert in India. Next continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea in the north, the Indian Ocean on the east, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Southern Ocean in the south. Due to its vast size and extent, this continent has many different landforms. The longest river in the world, that is the Nile, and the largest desert in the world, yes, the Sahara Desert, are found in this continent. The Victoria Falls, which is one of the largest waterfall in the world, is also found here. And Mount Kilimanjaro is Africa's highest peak and it's covered with snow throughout the year. Next continent is North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. It is a vast continent with Mount McKinley has its highest peak. The highest Rocky Mountains lie on its western side, and in its northeast lies the huge Great Lakes. The Isthmus of Panama connects North America and South America. So what do you mean by isthmus? So isthmus is a narrow strip of land with the sea on both the sides. It forms the link between two larger areas of land. Next is the Bering Sea separates it from Asia in the west. So students, I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you.